What would happen if my knife and fork were attached? What would happen if my shoes were glued together? What would happen if my keyboard was not split? Poorly designed keyboards often cause pain and discomfort. We used to change ourselves to fit our keyboards. Now, it's time for them to fit us. NocFree is designed to free your body. It promotes an ideal sitting posture, no matter your shoulder width, no matter your wrist position, and no matter your lifestyle. Could you find a more comfortable position than this?
Now that you've seen how NocFree can transform your body and your life, we need your support to make it a reality. Join us in making this vision a part of your daily life. All you need is NocFree.